I just want to try to put this into perspective to help people understand what the reality of production and business that can come from a channel. This is where we're at from YouTube. This is what you call the compound effect. This is whenever that snowball starts rolling downhill and you can't stop it. Look, it took us 6 months to get to 23 million, and now get consistent, understand, develop a plan, know what you're gonna shoot it, and then start to build that out. I started at the exact same place everybody else does. 0 subscribers and 0 views. So you have to start though. So now we closed 3 transactions for 43,000 in GCI. So now in 2 months, we go from 0 in 7 months to 2 months, now 73,000 in GCI. Would you be glad you put in all the work up front? But guess what? It doesn't stop there. In June, we closed 7 transactions, 89,000 in 1 month. Now we go to September, 9 transactions, 148,000 in GCI. What happens in October? 144,000 in GCI. I will be speaking on stages, and I will talk about my low points, how I overcame combat in Iraq, how a terrible digestive disease that nearly killed me, and my best friends that stole 5 years of my life. However, all those setbacks have led me to the man I am today. That was God testing me to see if I was ready for the biggest success of my life. Guys, they talk about writing out your goals. I had no idea whenever I wrote this that I would be here in front of you. I thought about it and I dreamt about it. I didn't know how it was gonna happen. So if you're not where you wanna be, it's because you haven't learned something yet. And the road is paved with dead squirrels that failed to make a decision. Don't be roadkill. And for those of you that say, I wish I knew back then what I know now, I'm telling you that time is right now. You're not starting over. I thought when I was starting over and moving into real estate and starting on YouTube, I thought I was starting over. But what I realized was that I'm not. I've got 20 years of success and failures and everything else behind me.
The thing about Clubhouse is that, think about if you had that when you started your real estate career. I mean, it's like a 24/7 customer service hotline that you can just jump in there. I mean, and the reason I just started showing up in real estate rooms the last couple of months is because I spent the first 4 or 5 months in YouTube rooms. And I was in there talking to, I mean, that's where my whole relationship with Benji started. How would I have ever had the chance to meet him, develop a relationship, get to go interview with him, and now actually even be in the new book coming up? It's like, that's absolutely crazy, and that's all because of Clubhouse, because you can actually have a conversation with somebody.
Exactly. Come on, I love that. You're right.
Yeah.
The connections that have been made on Clubhouse is ridiculous, man. People that you would have never thought you would be able to speak to, you've been able to speak to.
Our speaker Levi, was so absolutely amazing.
Levi has been amazing. His presentation today was the bomb.
Thank you, Levi, and you rock.
I just want to say thank you, Levi, for all the tips.
Thank you, Levi. Thank you for your testimonial.
I just have learned so much from Levi.
I want to thank Levi for his presentation today.
With regards to Levi today, he was amazing.
I had the amazing opportunity today to listen to Levi speak about YouTube.
That was really, really awesome for me to hear.
Got to listen to Levi, and I've got to tell you, this guy's a rock star.
Levi, man, you impacted my heart.
Levi crushed it.
Levi, I appreciate it, man.
I can't even, I'm almost speechless.